As we age, our loved ones may start to require some extra care and attention, especially in their living environment. By taking some proactive steps now, you can make your home safer for when they need it most. Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and advice for seniors and their families. Today we will be discussing the top 7 ways to make your home safer for aging loved ones. Before we begin, please remember to like and subscribe for more great content. Now let's get started. No one. Install grab bars near the shower and toilet. As we age, our balance and coordination may start to decline, making us more susceptible to falls. One of the easiest and most effective ways to prevent falls in the bathroom is by installing grab bars near the shower and toilet. Grab bars provide much-needed support and stability, making it easier for seniors to get in and out of the shower or toilet. They also help with transferring from a wheelchair to a toilet. If you are looking for an affordable and easy way to improve the safety of your loved one's home, installing grab bars is a great place to start. Number 2. Add motion sensor lighting. One of the biggest challenges faced by seniors as they age is the potential for vision loss or decreased visual acuity. This can make it difficult to navigate around the house, especially at night when it is harder to see. Fortunately, there's a simple solution that can help to make your loved one's home safer and easier to navigate. Motion sensor lighting is a great option because it automatically turns on when movement is detected, eliminating the need for them to fumble for a light switch in a dark room. Not only does this improve their safety, but it also adds convenience and accessibility for everyone in the home. Motion sensor lights can be installed in hallways, bathrooms, and any other area where visibility is an issue. No. 3. Use non-slip rugs and mats. Slippery rugs and mats are a common household hazard, especially for seniors who are at increased risk of falling. Fortunately, there are a variety of non-slip options available that can help to prevent accidents and injuries. Non-slip rugs and mats are designed with special backing that grips the floor, preventing the mat from sliding or bunching up. This is especially helpful in areas such as the kitchen or bathroom where spills and moisture can make the floor surface slick. In addition to providing better traction, non-slip mats also help to reduce the severity of falls by minimizing the distance that a person can fall. If a senior does slip, a non-slip mat can help them to stay upright or reduce the impact of the fall, minimizing the risk of serious injury. Number 4. Remove trip hazards. As we get older, our balance and mobility may become more of a challenge, which means that even small obstacles can become significant hazards. One way to ensure the safety of your loved one's home is by removing trip hazards. Trip hazards are any objects that could cause someone to stumble or fall, such as loose or frayed rugs, long electrical cords, or low-lying furniture. By taking a few moments to examine the home and identify potential hazards, you can make it much safer for your loved one to navigate. Simple solutions like securing rugs with double-sided tape, using cable protectors for electrical cords, or lifting furniture off the floor can make a big difference in preventing falls and creating a safer living environment. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in ensuring the safety and well-being of your loved one. No. 5. Improve home accessibility. As our loved ones age, they may encounter physical challenges that make it difficult to navigate their homes. This can include difficulty with stairs, narrow hallways, or small doorways. Fortunately, there are several ways to improve home accessibility and make it easier for seniors to move around their living spaces. One solution is to install stair lifts or ramps to help with mobility issues. Additionally, widening doorways and hallways can significantly improve accessibility, allowing for the use of walkers or wheelchairs if necessary. Other options include using lever door handles instead of traditional knobs and installing motion sensor lights to help with vision impairments. By making these modifications, you can help ensure that your loved one can safely and easily access all areas of their home. Remember, it's important to make adjustments as early as possible to anticipate your loved one's needs and ensure their comfort and safety in their own home. Number 6. Install emergency call buttons. Installing emergency call buttons or medical alert systems can provide your loved one with peace of mind knowing that help is just a button away in case of an emergency. These systems allow users to contact emergency services or designated contacts with the push of a button. They can be particularly helpful for those who live alone or have difficulty reaching emergency services by phone. There are various types of medical alert systems available, including wearable devices, pendant-style buttons, and voice-activated systems. Many systems also offer additional features such as fall detection, medication reminders, and two-way communication. By investing in an emergency call button or medical alert system, you can provide your loved one with added safety and security in their home. Number 7. Make sure your loved ones have easy access to important phone numbers. As we age, it is natural to experience some decline in our cognitive and physical abilities. This can make it challenging to remember important information such as phone numbers in case of an emergency. Fortunately, there are simple solutions that can help ensure that seniors always have access to the phone numbers they need. One option is to create a list of important phone numbers and post it in a visible location. This could include emergency services, family members, or trusted friends and neighbors. Another approach is to program these numbers into the contact list on a smartphone or other device. You can also consider using a phone with large buttons and a voice dialer feature to make it easier to call for help. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure that your loved ones can get in touch with the right people quickly and efficiently if they need assistance. There are many ways to make your home safer for aging loved ones. By implementing the tips above, you can help create a safe and supportive environment for them to live in. Remember, it's important to take action now to ensure their safety and well-being as they age. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful content, and leave a comment below with any questions or comments you may have. We value your input and would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.